Guys, so I am back and I just got out of bed and I'm going to make a what I eat / what I do in a day, since I know a lot of you guys have been wondering what types of meals I make, or I'm not gonna go in depth with my workout routine because I'm no expert, but just to show you guys here and there what I do. And yeah, I am excited to start making these videos so you guys can come with me on my journey to losing more of the weight since I got gastric sleeve surgery. And yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna make breakfast in just a little bit and you guys can get some meal ideas and whatnot. So if you guys would like to watch what I cook for today or what I eat for today, just keep on watching. Do not forget to like this video and please subscribe down below. Also, you guys, leave down in the comments below what type of videos you guys would like to see, and I will get back to you guys and write back and all of that. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so for this morning we're gonna make some scrambled eggs and with fruit on the side and some avocado. So we have our protein, our fiber, and we have our healthy fats. And I'm gonna add some chia seeds to my water after when I'm done eating my food. So yeah, also I am excited because I got my Power XL Vortex air fryer. It's right here. And I am so excited. We get to create new recipes, instead of using the oil, I can use this bad boy right here. So yeah, and you can pretty much fry chicken, fish. It comes with the recipe book, so yeah. You can also air fry the fruit, and it has all of these examples. So I'm excited to try this out very soon. Okay guys, so for today we're gonna have a simple breakfast, and this is what I usually have almost every other day, and it is 1 egg. I'm gonna have half of this. I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese, and this is the fat-free kind, into my egg, and I will have some fruits on the side. And yeah, and I just add a little bit of salt and pepper to my egg, and this is pretty good. So I'll add just a little bit of this, not all of it. And yeah, so let's get on to cooking. Okay guys, so this is what my breakfast looks like. So I won't eat all of it, but I will have a good amount for my breakfast. And this is what I like to have almost every day. If it's not this, it is oatmeal. And if it's not oatmeal, it is avocado toast. I recently started to get into that, and it is really good. But yeah, and sometimes I add red pepper flakes, which I recently bought because I'm like, oh, I can start having avocado toast, so I can start having the crushed red pepper. And yes, they are a little spicy because I'm not used to, since I got my gastric sleeve surgery done. So I try not to add a lot so it won't irritate me, since I used to be such a huge chili eater, but ever since my surgery I stopped eating so much chili. Like, I hardly even eat chili. This is like the only thing I will add to my dishes. Sometimes I'll add sriracha here and there when I make like stir-fry veggies, but yeah. Okay, hey guys, so I am about to have a green tea, and I drink this before my workout. I've noticed that it's decaffeinated, but it gives me like a little boost of energy, I've noticed, every time I drink it. So yeah. Oh, and mind all of this. This is all of the Christmas decor that I have that I need to put in the storage. And yeah. So my fiance Pedro just left, so I will take this time to relax and watch some TV, watch some TV shows that I recorded. And I just finished cleaning a little bit. Good. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna come over here and drink my green tea. So yeah, and right now Ice Age is on, so but I might change it and watch something else. I love 90 Day Fiance, you guys. Have you guys been watching it? I literally love that show so much. I have watched every season so far. So yeah. And I haven't had iced coffee like in a long time. So I am so excited to have an iced coffee. I'm going to make a Starbucks iced coffee at home. I bought the blonde roast iced coffee, and I also bought a sugar-free vanilla syrup. And yeah, I do not have ice. I need to buy one of those like ice cube trays, but I'm gonna attempt to make it because I've been craving iced coffee. So I'm like, okay, I'll just make it. Yeah, so we'll see what happens, you guys. I will get back to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Guys, so I just finished doing my cardio, and I did about 30 minutes on it, and walked and I ran most of the time. So yeah, and I had it inclined through 6 to 15. So it's a fat burner right there. And yeah, I'm feeling really great, and I don't even drink pre-workout just yet. I'm not sure when I'm going to start, but right now I'm just, you know, taking it day by day and working out. So yeah, and we're gonna go and do these weights right here. So I'll be back. So as you guys can see, I'm just sweating so much, and I have my music on. So yeah, I love it when it's just me in the gym, you know. It feels very therapeutic, and I don't have to, you know, like always be looking around me thinking someone's looking or anything like that. So yeah, it's a great workout today, guys. So I do like 5 sets of 15 reps on each machine. So yeah, pretty good. Okay guys, so for my lunch I am going to have the tuna creation hickory smoked, and it is very good. And I add this Smart Balance light mayo to it, and add some pepper, of course, and then I get the Quaker lightly salted rice cake, you guys. This and the tuna, oh my goodness, it is so good, you guys. You guys have to try it. So this is 100% whole grains and it's gluten free, and it has no high fructose corn syrup, which I like, and the macros are pretty good. So I make this and then I add it to my rice cake. Sometimes I also add avocado. It just depends if I had avocado that morning, and if I didn't have avocado that morning, I'll add it to my lunch. I have some chicken defrosting, so don't mind that. And yeah, this is a really simple, quick lunch meal that you guys can do, and it is bariatric friendly. So let's make it. And yeah, and it is a great after workout meal, and honestly it gives me that energy when I have to go out and run some errands or do what I have to do, and it keeps me full. And yeah, and also it is around 4 p.m. is when I usually have my lunch. My dinner, I start to have it like around 7 or 8. It just depends what time I start making my food. But yeah, here it is, guys. So I'm gonna have to leave that out, but it's very cold. I've had it in my fridge and I put it for a little bit on my freezer, so it's okay. It's cold enough. And then I'm gonna add some of my sugar-free vanilla, not too much, okay guys? Just like that. Add just a little bit. There you go. And mix it all around. Let me taste it. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay guys, this is my dinner for today. It is refried beans, chicken with some buffalo sauce on top and some vegetables on the side, and this is my dinner for today. Here it is. It's quick and simple, and of course I won't eat all of it, but I will eat a good amount of it, guys. Hey you guys, so I wanted to get on here and close the video. I am about to have my dinner, and I hope you guys like this video. This is my first time creating this type of content, what I eat / do in a day, and I had a lot of fun. It kept me busy all day. You know, I always had to remember to, oh my gosh, take out my camera and just record everything. So I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. If you guys would like for me to do any type of different video, just leave it in the comments down below, or you guys can also send me a message on Instagram. All my links will be down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Well, let me know if you guys like these type of videos, and please subscribe to my channel because soon I will have many more videos and I have a lot of ideas. So yeah, and I am so happy and excited to be creating content because I've been putting this off for such a long time and I let my nerves get the best of me. But you know, I'm like, I need to do this. I need to get on this and track my journey, because no one, when you first start, you know, it's not going to be perfect. So yeah, I am excited. So yeah, you guys, and I will hear from you guys soon. And yeah.